Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So today's video, crochet round table runner ideas with various friends. Let's start today video. Friends, crochet table runner are handmade pieces that are elegant and charm to any table. They are perfect for dining tables, coffee table, or side tables. Classic round table runner, round crochet table runners give a neat look. You can use soft colors like cream, white, pastel shades. They are perfect for classic or modern home decoration and weavers. Round crochet table runner giver. So you can add crochet flower round on the edges or in the center. Red, pink, yellow, or purple flower make your table runner look cheerful. Flower designs are perfect for spring and summer decoration, weavers, and lace crochet runner, lace style table runner look delicate and elegant. They give vintage handmade feel to your tables. You can place vase, candle, or bowl on top for style setup. Seasonal or holiday runner. You can make crochet table runners for holiday and season, Christmas, Easter, or Valentine's Day theme. Round runners look festive and beautiful. Combine different crochet patterns in one runner. You can make the center simple and decorate the edges with intelligent designs that to your table decoration. Crochet round table runner are not only decorative but also functional. They protect your tables, making it look beautiful. Handmade crochet adds warm personal touch to your home. You can mix colors and patterns, create a unique runner. Each piece is special and shows your creative and care. Crochet is more than just a craft. It is for to make your home elegant, stylish, and full of handmade love. Round table runner are perfect for everyday use, special or gifts. So whether you choose classic floorless or holiday themed designs, your crochet round table runner will just beauty, charm, and warmth to your table and your weavers. Crochet table runner or handmade decoration that give elegance to your home. Vintage design use soft colors like cream or light brown. Classic patterns often include lace stitches, formative edges. This runner are perfect for coffee tables, dining table, or side table. You can place a vase, candle holder, fruits bowl in the center, and it instantly makes your table look elegant and stylish. Vintage crochet round table runner are perfect for classic home decoration. They add a handmade cozy feel that cannot be replicable store decoration. Each stitch is made with care. Finches love this runner are personal. Your table will adding charm. They are timeless pieces that can be passed down as gifts or cuteness. Modern design are simple, clean, and stylish. You can choose natural colors like white, gray, pastel shades. Minimal designs make your table look fresh and elegant. Viewers, so all happy. Thanks for watching my channel, and friends.